I bless the love, it's Naya Man Bushman, and right now I need you to go to YouTube and log on to DJ SWICKED vlogs. You see, subscribe and do a like and do a invite. You see what I say? Lock it down, it's all about nature and the reality of the world. Keep connected.
See
Fire burn and we got.
Greetings, my beautiful people. This is DJ SWICKED vlogs in the place. Right now, my beautiful people, we are trying to take you guys on a tour to the people. Yeah, man, and as you can see, on the piece of bicycle today once more. So you know we're out here for sure. Yes, my people. Yeah, man, continue to do the right thing, people. Like up the channel. You know what I mean? Share up the channel, people. You know what I mean? DJ SWICKED vlogs is here again, people. Yes, and it's such great pleasure to be with you once more, people. Thanks to all a few great subscribers that donated and make my daughter back to school be over. Well, it's a joy, you know what I mean? Great pleasure, to be here to give you guys thanks, you know what I mean? Yes, my people. And right now, people, I'm gonna take you guys on a secret tour today. You know what I mean? And me there here, peeps, with my virgin, Naturalus. Yeah, man, I tour over there to the people. And we're gonna take you guys on a journey to the people. So, yeah, man, stay tuned for that. We're not let the pussy out of the bag yet. You know what I mean? So, people, yeah, man, just lock in and clock in with us. As the day here, I go on to the right. Yes, man, Jamaica. Sweet, people. Look on the beautiful greenness of the place and all of that, people. Yeah, man. Can't see say rain out for fall, but we not make that many vlogs and go on. So we out here, man, and God do him thing, and we here I do we thing. So yes, man, everything all nice. Swear to people. Look here, people, coconut and trees. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, so much greatness out here in Jamaica. That is a cocoa farm, as well as a chocolate. Yes, no, man, they must clean it up and set him again. So people, we out here. And we are going to turn off our road now, people. So stay tuned. Yeah, man, and continue. Like and share. People, please click the notification bell. Yeah, man. All of you new people, we're just looking and not subscribing. Yeah, man, do the right thing, people. We out here. Yeah, man. Swear. See farmer man there. You go and do the right thing.
Ah, no yellow.
On two and go on them, I know. Yeah, my boss. You go well, do. Alright. So, people, we out here. The farmer that we pass this, so I go and do him thing. And we are going to do food thing, people. So, stay tuned. Yes, man. You are going to see what is what. You know what I mean? Yes, man, DJ SWICKED vlogs on the scheme. And the great Naturalus that people. Yes, no, man. God carry you safe, Because everything we do, we have to have him in the midst, people. That is it. So people, they're on the flatter now. And we're just taking it easy, as it. I'm not gonna lie, you can see how I'm setting ready. Ready for the street. Yeah, man. The rain a Jew, but we not watch that. We active people. And what the other vlog have to do and get to do, so. No matter what, we have to find a way to do it today. Yes, man, so. People, we out here and we active. Yes, man, so stay tuned for that one here. That one here go nice. Yes. That one here is a secret to the people. Secret. Now let out the pussy out of the bag. Yes, it. So here what? Stay tuned for that one here, people. 2 hours there, DJ SWICKED vlogs. And me and my general. So, you don't know the thing. Active out here all the time. See, boss and people. Yeah, man, the thing well governed, you know, man. Yeah, man, the great naturalist that people. Yeah. So you don't know people. Welcome the general to the team, you know. Yeah, man. The man are ever excited to forward on board come. You see me tour with DJ's Wicked Vlogs, so we're there here. Yeah, man. Tell them to subscribe, like and share, you don't know. Yeah, man.
One link, you know, man.
That is it, people. Yeah, people, couple cow, you know. Yeah, man, cow always out of them place, yeah. See all wanna right down here, say in a deep corner, people. And if you don't see it, so then cow stay. If he come on a drive careless, right in him. Call him iceberg out here, you know. Yeah, man. Iceberg, we call him. A vehicle man knocking on one of them and then run gone and the vehicle mash up. Yeah, man, see when cock out in the road, iceberg, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we there checking people. Yeah. As you see that bush settings there, you're supposed to have pre couple things, either bush them boy here go. Or them boy here. Depend some little mission. But yes, people, we go in a bush, but no, let the puss out of the bag yet. You see it? No, sir. Yes, sir, go sweet people. That is it, man. You see that bucket there today, one man, you could have full it. Full it. Yeah, my people. As you can see, yeah, man, I got here and peeps them. Don't know, see some kind of black water. Yeah. We have here, so we are going to test it, so I go on today. You see it? Yeah, man, I see movements already down there, so like big fish there in the water, there, people. You see crazy movements out of water, the liquid people. Right out there, so. Yeah, I see what I go and feed to the people. Yeah, man, I see what is what. So stay tuned, my people. Stay tuned. You know what I mean? You know DJ's Wicked Vlogs do it already. Yes, no, man. So, my people, stay tuned and see what's gonna take place. You know what I mean? Great naturalist there. Yeah, man, DJ's Wicked Vlogs. People, I really want to get a real epic part of that vlog, yeah. But people, as I said before, it was a lot of rain all day, so that's the main reason why I don't get, you know, some epic part, because you don't know me and Nachi out here, and we don't want to try to please you know guys to the fullest. But people, that one I name rain vlog, because we know puffy, you know. Catch them in a rain and all of that. And true, we don't have no waterproof camera, so we have to hide off that one. You see it? So people, who hope you like that video, I see them here.
Sure.
You know what I mean right now? As you can see, looking at the water, you can see the raindrops in the water, see them here. So you know the rain and Joe, see them here. So my people, we out here, and we have to try to do the right thing for please you know guys. So don't worry about it. When we reach over, I'm going to throw out the fish and put them on and stuff. I make you see what I want. You see me, I'm going to see if I can join on the fry. When I fry them, to make you see. So don't worry about it, people. Yeah, man, it's a vibe. So I want to take the time out to big up one artist named Pepper Brain. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, and you see that vlogger? That vlogger sponsored by Pepper Brain too. You see what I deal with? Yeah, man, I want to go up on YouTube and check out Pepper Brain music. You see what I say? Yes, my people. Once you type in Pepper Brain music, you don't know you're going to see it come up. And people, make sure you make him know, say, yo, a DJ's Wicked Vlog sending you over there. You know what I mean? Beautiful people, as you can see, soaking wet, my people. Yeah, man, soaking wet, you know what I mean? Yeah, my people, me out here. You know, see them way. I want to tell you, so we catch a lot of fish, but due to the rain, where they are falling, the people. Yeah, man, I swear to you, I couldn't take out the vlogging camera because Me I tell the people them say due to the heavy rain where they are fall, they couldn't take out the vlogging camera. But people, look here. Look here people. Here my people. Here swag one people. Yeah man, nice size one them, man. See that people? Going on well fine. One in there I move well speedy, can't hold him. But people, the vibes. You know, all when you couldn't get to see exactly what take place, I still have to show you. Because really and truly, I have to upload this vlog. I swear, I have to upload it, people. You know, determination it means, you know. Yeah man, so you know that is it, people. Yeah man, see naturals there. I try to see if you can hunt two of them. What turn up mine a drop, boy. People, out here, man. I see if I can feel one more. I will kind of tease the line, you know. So, yeah, I see what can go on, people. See if I feel the next jig off. Yeah, my people, me see line are going like it want to get up liquor. But all of a sudden, me see my easy, you know, so I don't know what in that one. You see people, don't know. Catch a perfect amount as me I tell my people. I just the epic part of movie. You never get, you see it? Yeah man, I tell them, some nice one. Nice one, my people. Watch all African on it. Yeah man, I want different kind this, you know, that means yeah, some of them when I broad pot cover on them, you know, bro. Them when I get big, you know, people. Large. Naturally just mash him up, man. You can see some easy for that one different species, you see it? Yeah man, different species, my people. But we love our Guan people. And we like how God provide for we same way. All when we not get to see most of the epic part them. But people me know I go see with me see me because I see some me out here and I try. You see it? So love when people continue like and share. You know? And do the right thing. Yeah man, DJ SWICKED Vlogs, love you always. Yeah my beautiful people, as you can see. Fishy days people. Yeah man, sorry we not gonna get to see when I scale them and all of that. But stay tuned. Will heap of rain a fall, I don't know how I get to fry them, but stay tuned and see how I'm gonna work it out now idea. You see me? See them people looking great. Some of them small, but you know, some nice size one inside here, people. That's the vibes. So stay tuned. As I don't know if I go fry them, I don't know how I do them yet, but stay tuned for that one, people. Make sure you leave a comment. If you never yet click the notification bell, go over there and do the right thing right now, people. Alright, people, here we are going. Because the battery there way down and low, so I go make you see how I go fry it and all of that. But I go cut the video. So now if you stay tuned, make certain you stay tuned for catch the next video when I fry and cook. See? Yeah, so as you see seasoning up on this, but the battery is very low. And I don't want to buy it for done prepare all of that, the battery dead. So people, stay tuned for the next epic show. You see it? Yeah man. Swear to you guys. That is it. Fishy days, you know, people. Who want for them one? Comment and make me know, you know, man.